My dear MBA students of third semester, in the paper of investment analysis and portfolio management, I have given you some important questions in these slides. You can prepare this as very important questions. Other than this, my dear students, for long or short, you may get these questions now. What I am saying, number one, speculation versus investment, and second thing, like real assets versus financial assets. Third one, YTM and AYTM, yield to maturity. Then, my dear students, bond valuation and bond duration, that is also looking very important, my dear students. Other than that, that Markovitch theory is very important, that you need to prepare. That is there in portfolio management, I think. Definition of mutual fund and definition of portfolio is looking very important question this time, my dear students. Then the sources of getting investment information, from where you are going to get information, from the journals and from the magazines and from the websites. Wherever you get some kind of information, then only you will be able to make investment in financial assets, my dear students. My dear students, understanding the core concept is very much important, my dear students. Risk reward and analysis of investment methods, like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, looking very important. CAPM, capital asset pricing model, is also expected this time. My dear students, investment is said to be a art of selecting a correct return giver. Why? Because you are sacrificing your current purchasing power for unexpected return in future. That is said to be investment. See, every investor should have some idea about where he is going to invest, my dear students. Every investment is having some kind of risk. That may be systematic risk, that may be unsystematic risk, my dear students. You need to understand, if you want to write this particular paper, you have to think that you are an investor who are investing. My dear students, there is one regulatory mechanism for the markets, or for the portfolios, or for the mutual funds, my dear students. That regulatory mechanism is known as Securities Exchange Board of India. The power and duties of SEBI is also looking very important, my dear students. In evaluating portfolios, as we discussed, there are some theories. You need to concentrate on those theories which I have shown in these slides, my dear students. My dear students, portfolio you can write in general also, my dear students. Why? Because the simple thing is not to keep all the eggs in one basket. So based on that, if you are an investor, don't invest all your amount in one single stock. You select different kinds of sectors, there you invest in those securities, my dear students. By doing so, your risk will be minimized and reward will be more, my dear students. Every investor takes a risk for unexpected return in future, my dear students. Sometimes the investor may sustain losses, that's the different case, my dear students. Then YTM is that particular question on bond yield, my dear students. That may come for one particular problem. This problem is this paper is complete theory, or one problem may come.